Hello everyone and welcome back to my morning report analysis videos on Monday 16th of January with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. We're going to look at cable now, and this is the big one that's broken down today. The move at the open was below this key support at 120.80. These was the lows that were holding through October and then hadn't been broken since. And we've had a breakdown today. Sorry, get that back a bit. At the open today, we saw a breakdown below that level. So there is a gap, and there is a gap from Friday's low at 121.20. So it's interesting that we've had that move, but certainly I think that below that 120.80, certainly if we close below it, that really does open up the downside once more. In terms of what we've seen this morning, very early this morning we saw 119.80, but I still think 120 big figure will be a sort of a basis of support, and sort of 1985 got tested again early doors today, but back towards that 120.80 figure level. I mean, that is your basis of overhead supply really, because that has been a bit of big floor. So anything above that, I think traders will start to think about whether that's another opportunity to get out again, because 21.20 overnight, late Friday afternoon, is again a basis. So you've got sort of 40 ticks worth, but I think unless you sort of really rallied above this Friday high of 22.30, and to be honest, even above Thursday's high of 23.15, you're not really going to get much positivity out of this move. I think traders will continue to see this negatively configured across the board on the momentum indicators, trading below the moving averages, which are falling. It all pretty much looks negative, doesn't it? It doesn't look great, and lower highs, lower lows, pretty much any rallies are being sold into. So you've got that again, another sort of negative cross on the stochastics building. MACD lines falling, RSI falling. It doesn't look great for sterling at the moment. So that would open the downside, a close below 20.80, and I think that put the pressure back on, and obviously then below 20 big figure, and then, well, ultimately it'd be difficult to say because you're back into sort of multi-year lows again. So there is no support. But I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.